guys, what you're looking at here is a simple little plastic solar powered rocker. Okay, a little chickadee rocks back and forth as the solar panel hits the sunlight. Okay, dollar store item, $1. Okay, that's where I got my hula girl, same place. Okay, now a couple of guys are asking me how I got the hula girl to work and how I got my danger low clearance sign flasher to work. Well, I'm going to show you. I got no use for this thing, okay, but I picked them up in the dollar store just to use them for another silly little project. And as you can see, okay, they come apart very easily. Okay, really very easily. They're not glued together. They're all just pinned together. Okay, and if you squeeze the plastic and pull on it, it'll pop right apart, the whole thing. Okay, now when they're all apart, this is what you're left with. Okay, that's what you're left with right there. Okay, all you got is the rocker. Okay, that's the rocking mechanism I'm showing you. So the way I made my sign was, you need two items. Okay, simple LED light. Okay, and a simple 9-volt battery plug. Now this 9-volt battery plug, okay, the spacing on the two caps is exactly the spacing of a Lionel 3-rail track. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. I hope you can see it. Right there, there's one under there, and there's one under there on the other side. You just loosen up your track, slip it underneath, tighten down your track. The rails of the track will hit those two, positive and negative, and you got juice. And then after you get juice, okay, you connect that juice and you'll see exactly how it happens. Okay, we got the battery harness underneath there, under the track, making contact with the two tracks, the middle track and the end track, either side. Okay, you got negative and positive connected. You got light sitting on the element, and you got action. It's as simple as that. And let your imagination go crazy. You can make a sign like I made over here, rocking back and forth, or you could put two photographs, one on each side of whatever, your grandchildren, whatever, something else, rocking back and forth. You put that on your dashboard. You don't need the light. Sunlight will make them rock back and forth. Just use your imagination. And that rocking motion, as long as you keep it lightweight. Now the pieces of this little chick here are not that lightweight, but it's balanced. So it has to be balanced. Put two little pitches on there. It has to be balanced. You see the two flags I made are exactly the same size. Now, the faster the train goes, the faster that flag waves. It's the same with the hula girl. Actually, the hula girl's going with the same juice as the flags. She rocks well. You've seen it before. That's all it takes, guys. Small little LED light connected to the track, and I found these here work perfect for the track connector. Well, for anything else you want to connect, you need power to your track, and you don't have, one of the regular track connectors. You just want to get power for a light or something. These things work perfect. I mean, it's foolproof. Okay. Can't short out because one can't touch the track while the other one does. It's a perfect spacing. Perfect. Just loosen your track, slip it under, tighten down the track, you got juice. for any kind of lights or anything else you want to hook up. But I just want to show you this silly little project here with this dollar store rocker here. It worked out well for me with the flag over there. And now what makes it work better is if you cover the light. See, the light way it is now, a lot of the light's shooting out this way. I covered the light completely with tape, and that really harnessed the light more. Okay, made it shine more inside on the element. Alright, so use your imagination, and I just want to show you this silly little thing. A couple of guys were asking me about it. Dollar store item. That's all it is. Silly little dollar store item. And pull it apart and get creative. Make what you want. Alright, fellas. Just another silly little thing from the Tinker at Farmallville. Have fun. Book 'em, Dano.